Kaboom Blocks, how to play. The object of the game is to roll and place blocks before the game unit pops. Place the game unit on the table and flip the switch to off. Rotate the dial clockwise until it stops, then push down the tray. Place a pattern card into the tray. Put the blocks within reach of all the players. The youngest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. Flip the switch to on and the game begins. On your turn, grab any one block and roll it until you get a color that matches the next color in the board sequence. Matching begins in the corner space next to the arrow, then proceeds from left to right, top to bottom, like reading a book. As soon as you roll the correct color, place the block on that space and the next player goes. Play continues until the tray pops. The player whose turn it is when the tray pops loses, but they are not eliminated. If you complete the pattern before the tray pops, then no player loses. Reset the tray and swap out for a new card and a new player goes first. Once everyone has had an opportunity to go first, the game ends and the player who lost the fewest times wins. You can also play as a team and battle the game. In this version, there are no turns. Instead, all players roll blocks simultaneously and work together to complete the pattern before the tray pops. If you complete 3 pattern cards in a row before the tray pops, then you win. For an extra challenge, try winning within a shorter time limit.